love, gang? It's your girl Layla, and I am back with another bang. Please do excuse the hair. It has everything to do with today's video. However, before I get into that, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go right ahead and click that big red subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you do know when your girl posts her next videos. The video I will be doing today is not sponsored by the person or the product or the people that I have purchased this hair from. However, if they do see this video, you see me, I see you, I see hair. I did receive a headband wig from Isee hair. It is 20-inch Brazilian, 150, or I think it's 150 or 180% density. Very full. It feels amazing. But I gotta deal with this before I can get to this. Anyhow, so the package that the hair came in, this is a cute little package right here. It says Isee hair Princess series. And when I opened up the package, I really was just expecting to see the wig. However, they decided they was going to give us little 3D mink lashes, which are absolutely gorgeous. They're so cute. And then they gave me this, what is this? I think it's a Dior headband to go along with the hair itself. And 2 wig caps, which I will not be using. However, they will come in handy for other things. And they give us a little pamphlet, a sexy little pamphlet that I don't need to show you guys. And also another headband, which I think is absolutely adorable. I will try them on for you as well. But that's it. But the packaging was so cute. On the inside, they even have their Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and their Pinterest account. See your beauty, it says on the inside. I personally think I'm going to keep this box only because I think it's so cute. I'll be keeping the box. But first and foremost, before I can get into the beautiful wig, I have to deal with this. I'm going to be parting my hair into 6 just because I do want it to sit properly on my head, and I'm going to let out those baby hairs at the end, but y'all will see me do that process. So I have my 2 hair ties. I actually have 3. I got some edge tamer for the edges, and I have my tooth comb, and also I like to oil my hair on a regular. This is a Main Choice product, but I will be talking about that in another video. Anywho, but this is really good as well. So I'm going to start by oiling down the middle. My parts are not going to be perfect. I don't really think it matters if it's perfect. But part down the middle. Again, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. This is going to take me so long because my hand gets so tired so quickly from braiding my hair. Okay, so the first side is done. I have little hairs that I'm gonna turn into baby hairs. They don't look cute right now, but I promise you they will. They will. The first side really took me like 25 minutes. 25 minutes because, again, I told you guys my hand gets tired quickly. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the second side, and then I will hit y'all back when I'm ready to install this beautiful headband wig. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put on a little makeup, you know, for the finishing touches. So now we're gonna get down to the good part, which is installing or putting on the headband. Where should I begin? Okay, so I don't want it getting on my makeup, so I'm just gonna do it this way for now. Where's the clip? There's a clip, right? Oh, look, there's two clips on the side. So one here and one here. And pull it down, and there's one in the back. Then, just pull it forward a little bit. Clip it in the back. The clip, I mean the strap in the back is actually pretty loose, so I won't know how. I might have to like tie it myself, I guess. All right, pull it forward. Let's move this one forward, this one on this side. A little forward. So this is the look. Dry. I really like this. I really do. I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, you can even put it to the side if you want to. So it comes with a black headband, which is awesome. And if you want to wear it, I'm pretty sure, yeah, if you want to wear it up, you can wear it up if you feel like it. But I'm the kind of person who likes to wear their hair down and to the side. So this is the little middle part here. It feels beautiful. I'm actually going, I like to wear it wet, so I will be wetting it, but just so you guys see, this is how it looks from the back. I'm going to wear it to the side. So that means I'm going to part the hair at one point just to have everything fall to one side, because anybody who knows Katora knows she is a side part type of a girl. She likes to wear her hair to the side. So this is it here. I'm really feeling it. Like, I really like it. This is sick. It fits tight. It feels secure. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the hair to give you guys a different look on it when it is wet. But rate this, you guys. Rate it from 1 to 10 and tell me what you guys think. This is the Brazilian Kinky Curl, 150% density. I'm feeling it 100%, 150%. So let me go ahead and wet the hair for you guys, and then I'm going to try on the other bands just so you guys can see what that looks like as well. So hopefully you guys can tell the difference. This is the look with when it's wet. I didn't wet it too much, but like, kind of wet it. So I've literally just been standing in front of the mirror, getting a feel of the hair and parting it different ways to see what I like and what have you. And again, I will give, so far, I will give this hair 150%. It is light, it is fluffy, the curls are thebomb.com, and the band is not too tight, but it's not too loose. I still have to figure out how to wear the other bands because again, this is my first headband wig, so you know. However, I will leave in the description box down below for the link of Isee hair, and thank you Kendra and Christine for showing me Isee hair. I remember last year I was supposed to buy products from Isee hair and I just didn't. I ended up buying from elsewhere and I do regret it because I really like Isee hair and I will be purchasing from them again. So if you guys have liked this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and do not forget to share with your family and friends, all you girls who's looking for some quick and easy hairstyle to do when you're on the run. I do recommend you guys go ahead and check this out. I promise you, I'm gonna be playing in my hair all day, and that ain't no lie, honey. That ain't no lie. Nevertheless, thank y'all for tuning into today's video, and I will see you next time.